My profane friends, Nebraska court come across my wall today, and I thought, oh, how interesting. Can you see it? Right, look, this is the Nebraska Court of Appeals, yeah, established in 1991, but obviously it was done a lot more than that. Can you see the three X's there? Look, if I just put a little mark on them, that'll be profane, won't it? Let me show you. I'm going to show you how courts are run by the Freakmasons. So you've got three X's here, look, you see? XXX, which we know represents 3 square and calm piss, which makes 666. So that is basically what this seal is, yeah? Right, the seal of justice that you'll never see anyway, because the Freakmasons own the courts. Now, again, here it is, look, the state of Nebraska, judicial branch, okay, circle within a circle, okay, and then you got the 4 fleur de pisse. I don't know if you can notice that, the fleur de pisse, you know what I mean? So you got the Masonic fleur de pisse on 4 points of the compass, yeah. Now if I just go back to here, I'm going to show you the original picture I see was the door, so I'm going to show you that in a minute. But here's your floor, right? And you're supposed to see justice. You know what I mean? Look at the floor, and then look at the rails that she's standing against. See the square and compass going all the way across there. Look, square and compass, and they fit. And you're supposed to trust these people. Even look. See up there, look, what is that? Are they air vents or are they advertisement for Freakmasonry? Obviously it's 4 square, yeah. And also if you look at the cross, yeah, which is 4 square, yeah. Let me show you. How do I do this? Yeah, that's it. If I go here like this, look, that's it. I think I need to just make this a little bit skinnier, like that. Right, so if I bring it in again, okay, oh, now 4 square, look, you see, there's your square. Oh, could have done with a bit more, less of that. Bring it down a bit, wait a minute, sorry. So here's your 4 square, yeah, and then through the 4 square you've got your line, see? So that's 666, you see? Right there, bring it in a little bit skinnier. Yeah, there you go. Obviously you've got your 2 square and compass like that, yeah, but that's supposed to be an air vent. See, they tell you. And if you know that this 4 square is 666, who's running your courts? Do you see what I mean? Obviously you've got the Knights Templar cross in the center, which is here, look, yeah, and I can just see, I believe, where they put fleur de pisse on the end here, look, see, fleur de pisse on the 4 sets, look, for fleur de pisses. So who do you think's running this court? Do you know what I mean? You got your square, you got your Masonic flooring, yeah, and then you got the square and calm piss going all across there. Look, silly little writing. But there's your square and calm piss right there. Look, you see, square and calm piss. And each and every one of them judges is more than likely wearing suspenders. Do you know what I mean? Apart from the woman, of course, she's more than likely got boxer shorts on. You know what I mean? But look at the square and calm piss. See? So who do you seriously think, discard that, is running that courtroom? The Nebraska. Look, it's a close-up of it. Look. See what I mean, my profane friends? Obviously there's 7 places for the judge, because that gives you the G. And then right above, I don't know if I can get to show you it. Can you see the heraldry, look? Right above, up here, look. Oh, wait there. Go like that. Remember, I'm not a professional, my profane friends. Up here, look. There. Bloody terrible, isn't it? If I just do one line, yeah. There. There's the heraldry of the family that runs the court. And obviously it's a kangaroo court. You're not going to get no justice in here, ever. Do you know what I mean? So let me move on with the symbolism in this court. Obviously there again, look, you can see the square and calm piss in plain sight. This is the roof. Can you see the 4 pyramids on the corners of the square? Okay, you've got the circle within the square. Let me do that again. So you've got the circle here, look, there's your circle, there's your square. Okay, so there's your square and calm piss before you even get anywhere, right? And on the 4 corners there, you've got your pyramids, yeah. And I don't know what, yeah, it's the what do you bloody call it? The acorns, yeah, 3 acorns, so it's 3, obviously. Then you've got the square and calm piss, which is 4 square on the roof, yeah. I think I'll just show you the square and calm piss. So you've got one here, look. So there's a square and calm piss there. There's one on the other, on all 4 corners. So basically, and this running from this side to that side is your 4 square. And if you look at the petals here, look, if I can just do it like here, look, that's 4 square as well. This little square here, see, there's 5, like it's a Union Jack, but again it's a point. The gold is the point within the square, look, you see. So again, it's all Masonic, and they're showing you, my profane friends. See how is that? You know what I mean? And each and every square and calm piss has an all-seeing eye in the middle of it. Oh, wait there, go up another one. Again, Supreme Court. You can see the tiled floor on the left, the black and white tiled floors, and then on the upper echelons or whatever you want to bloody call them. This need to be a bit thicker actually. Up here, look, on the roof here, on the wallpaper, as you can see, it's the configuration of the square and the calm piss. You know what I mean? Up here across the top, look. See, they cannot stop showing the advertisement. And look at the things they look. See, look, do you think that, look, court rules in favour of NDEE request charges. But what is the real score there? Is that for Freakmasonry, a little funny handshake before it even got into the court? But officially to you, they show you, do you know what I mean? Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Then you got this one here, look, see the floor again. I don't know if we can see the door this time, I'll go back. But again, as you can see up here in the top wallpapers, you can see the square and the calm piss running through it. Here's the door, the door of justice. Obviously I don't have to explain the square and calm piss within that, do I? The windows, again, I don't think I need to explain that. They're all square and 4 square and square and calm pisses, and they're also the Union Jacks if you line up the thingy, but basically it's 6666, isn't it? You know what I mean? Again, we've just done that one, we've done that one. Here's the outside of the building, nothing to do with Rome or Greece, of course. And these people outside the building, you see what I mean? You're going to get no justice, because all you're doing is you're protesting against a building. You can protest against a building all day long, they don't give a shit, you know what I mean? They don't mind, you can stay there all day long. They even make the room for you, look, till you stand there. Anyway, again, this is you can see the Masonic black and white tile floor, the square and calm piss going around the sides. This is the roof again, look, 4 square, look, I don't need to explain it, point within a square, look, all squares and circles, you know the score, my profane friends. Squares within squares. And then at the top there, I don't know if you can see it very cleverly, let me put that in. Here, if you look at the petals, can you see the petals, look? You got the square and calm piss here, look. Yeah, so if I draw that one in, you got the square and calm piss there. Okay, go to the other side, wait a minute. You got the square and calm piss here, hidden again in plain right, okay. So you got that there, then, oh, you come back a bit. You got the one in the middle, which is the pointlet, a point within a square. Okay, so you got your point within a square. Let me just come out a little bit. And then if you take this one, right, which is this here, because this is a square and compass like this, yeah, right? But if you take this now and go like that, and then join that to there, and then let me get this right, get this to there, and then that to there, that's the continuation of that. Do you see what I'm saying? So this goes from here to there, and this one goes here to there. So that's basically what you end up with. And what do you get? 3 X's. You see what I mean? Let me do it, see if I can do it properly. Like that, that's it, and then like that. So there's your 1X, okay? And it goes up to here. Go down to there. There's your second X, and then this one is your third X. So it's X, X, X again. Shh. They don't want you to know that, so keep it quiet. You know, and then up the ceiling here, look, you've got the square within a square. Yeah, square within a square, and then right in the center you've got your circle. Okay, so it's all Masonic symbolism. They just don't want you to see it. You know, people look at that all day long and they don't see it. Do you know what I mean? But you got, like I said, so that is basically these three here, these three together are 6, 6, 6. You see what I mean? Because it's 3 X's. 1, 2, 3 X's. It's square and compass 3 times. So you got the 2 on either side, which is the square and compass here. That's 1. That's 2. Yeah, that's your 2 square and compass. But if you now line it up again, the one that centers, that joins it, makes the third one. So that's 6 points, which it is. So 3 times 6, 6, 6, 6 makes your square and your compass. You see what I mean? 6, 6, 6, 6. Lucifer rules your supreme courts, but they don't want you to know that. Shh. Keep it quiet, my profane friends. Obviously, there's more symbolism than that. I don't need to go. I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can. This is a different one. This is Ohio, look. So here's the Ohio Supreme Court. See the columns? Same thing, nothing changes. But here, look, you can see this again. You can see the circles within squares. Yeah. And it's also, if you line up the crosses, that makes 4 squares. So again, it's 6, 6, 6. See? And that's another Supreme Ohio Court. Don't need to explain that. This is on the doors of the Supreme Court. And as you can see in the 4 corners, each 4 corner, you can see the fleur de pis, which is hidden in plain right again. Yeah. You can also see the circle right in the centre with the square. Circles and squares, and that's what it's all about. You see what I mean? But if you look on each piece, let me do this again. I'm getting good at this. It's wonderful. You've got fleur de pis here. Look, 1 fleur de pis there, and fleur de pis up in this corner. Then fleur de pis there, fleur de pis there, fleur de pis there, fleur de pis there, and fleur de pis there, which makes, as I keep telling you, a Union Jack. Do you know what I mean? And that's what that is. But there's 2 on this door. I'll show you in a minute. It's 2. And when you marry them together, you get the square and compass. See? There's no justice in any courts. Do you know what I mean? It's all Masonic. Masonic, Masonic, Masonic. Here's the doors. Yeah, let me give you. This is the size of the doors. Obviously, I'll give you a reference there to that girl or woman or whatever. And these are the different people on the door. Yeah. The shield of Achilles. But as you can see, look, if you look at the dots or the circles with the points in them, yeah, you get 3 that go across the top, and then it's 9 down. 3 times 9, 9, 9, 9, as above, so below, 6, 6, 6. Obviously, you got the columns, and, you know, we could go more into it. But you see what I'm saying, babies? Huh? You can what I mean, baby? Huh? It's crazy, isn't it? And by the way, No, I ain't good. Well, if you do it from the top to the bottom, yeah, you get 15. Yeah, 5 and 1 is 6. Do you see what I mean? So apart from the 3 times 9s, if you do the 3s that go horizontal, so it's 3. Let me do that bloody again, just so I show you. You know what I'm like, my profane friends. So you've got 3, 6. Do you see what I mean? 9, 15 total. Okay. 15. 5 and 1 is 6. You see what I mean? And then you've got your 3 across the top, you know, it goes 3 and then down 9, yeah? 3 9s, 9 9 9, as above, so below. Again, 6 6 6, you see? So, you know, figure it out, you know, it's all there, my profane friends, all there, you know? And each one of these fellas, if you didn't know, look, it's 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 points. So that's 1 square and calm piss. Okay, now pretend it's on the other side and I'll do it this side. So you got the other 6. That's 2 square and calm piss. And then if you marry the 2 in the middle, which will give you the 2 3 2, so each one of these is 6 6 6. But obviously that's a bit more deeper into it. We don't need to go into that, you know what I mean? But there's the doors again. As you can see, look, you've got all these judges here, look, administrator. I mean, look at him, he's like, what is he on the right here, this judge writing down here? Then you've got all these crime lords in there, look, and there's no justice being given out with these, you know what I mean? They pick any old judge, anyone will do. Then I think this is a different courtroom, but it's the same. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see the 6s going round there? Look, 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Do you see it? And again, it's the, let me show you again, just in case, you know, I like to put my, can you see the 6s, look, 6 6 6. Do you see what I'm saying, my profane friends? Hey? Oh, baby. And then, like I said, you've got in the centre, obviously it's a circle within a circle. So you've got your circle within a circle within a circle. So it's points within a circle, right? The flower in the middle, this flower here, is a forget-me-not, a Masonic forget-me-not. And if you remember, it then gives you the 5 points, which are here, these 5 points, look. Yeah, which I told you about yesterday in my other video, which was, I can't remember which video it was. Oh, baby. But again, if you watch enough of my videos, you know what I'm on about. But that gives you the 5 points between the petals, like I said, yeah? You know what I mean? And I forget. You know what I mean? I can't remember. Anyway, but that's what gave you the 5 points. Oh yeah, that's right, the 5 points, which then gave you, like, if I go like this, and don't quote me wrong if I get this wrong, baby. Oh, I'm so excited, I ain't even going to attempt it, just in case I get it wrong. But it makes the Swazi, yeah, the 5 points, yeah, make the Swazi. And what is it? I can't remember now. Oh, baby. Make the Swazi. It makes the Masonic perfect ashlar cube, you know, like the cube of Saturn and all that malarkey, doesn't it? That's what it does, yeah. But I can't remember how I did it or how I... But you know what I mean. If you watch my other videos, then you'll know how 5 points from the flower, this flower with the 5 points, makes the Masonic cube, the Swazi, and all the rest of it. Do you know what I mean? But I can't remember offhand how to do it myself right now at this particular moment. But as you can see, the 666 goes all the way around. See what I mean? It's always the same. They never change themselves. Do you see what I mean? So that's another Supreme Court run by Lucifer 666. Now this is again the court doors, and I can't get any closer than that. Hopefully, again, look, you got 6 windows on the below, so it's 666. Okay, yeah, 3 of course, three times 666. Yeah, okay, on each one. Obviously, you got the Masonic columns above, look, same as Norwich, you know, City Hall and all the rest of it, you know what I mean? Again, I think I've got a better picture coming up of that. Again, I don't need to explain that. That's the ceiling, square and compass configuration, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'll leave that like that. But again, if you understand it, if I show you, I better do. If I don't, I'll be worried about it. But again, if you look at this, if I put the 6 point, the 3, 2, 3. Okay, so that's your 3, 2, 3, and what it leaves on each end, look, is 3. Yeah, which is 1, 2, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So you've got 33 degrees with your square and compass right in the center. So I mean, obviously all of that is points within squares anyway. Yeah, so it's 3, 2, 3. Look, you see what I'm saying, Mebit? And obviously, as you can see, yeah, and as you can see, look, it goes like this from the bottom. So you go 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Do you see what I mean? 2, 3, 2. And what does that leave on each side again? 33 degree. Do you see what I mean, babies? Oh, I'm so excited about it. But anyway, you get the idea. So again, Supreme Court, all of that malarkey, would you trust it? I don't bloody think so. You know what I mean? There's no justice in the court of law that they've made, and I can't get a better picture of that door. Why? We'll have to look it up yourself. But above these doors, you got the square and compass, and it's 2 times 4 square on each door. You can just see it. I don't know. You know what I mean? Let me just like this, like here above. Oh wait there. Here above, yeah, is 4 square, and it's square and compass above the doors. Yeah, obviously each door has 6 windows. Yeah, 3 times. So it's 6, 6, 6. See what I mean, my profane friends? But if you honestly think you're going to get any justice in any Supreme Court that's run by these Freakmasons, you're having a giraffe. Do you know what I mean? Like I said, it's all over the, you know, it's all over the place, isn't it? You can see it. Yeah, I didn't get that door. Where is that door? What the hell, baby? Well, I've got a photograph in here somewhere, and it's put it to somewhere different, and I don't know where. But the actual door is like this, okay? And there's 2 of these, yeah? So obviously this... Oh, what happened now? I didn't even hear. So if I go like this, right? So there's 2 of these, one on one door, one on the other door, okay? So when this mars up like this, okay, like that, and you put the 2 doors together and shut it, you then end up with obviously the square and the compass. So that's in plain right on the door, because this is where you mar it up. Do you know what I mean? So when you get them 2 X's, don't forget, make square and compass. So when you shut the door, you end up with the square and compass. Where that's gone, I don't know. I did have the photograph, but I can't find it. But that is on both doors, yeah? And I can't seem to find it. I think it's that door there, I believe, but you can't see it clearly on there, so it's a bit of a bugger. Yeah, I can't find it, but it's on the doors anyway. Have faith. If not, go look it up yourself. But with them on the door, oh, that might be how to do it. Let's have a look. No, I can't get close enough into it. But trust me, babies, it's on the friggin' doors. You know what I mean? Let's try it this way. Yeah, images. Yeah, there it is. Look, that's the... See, look, you got 2 on each door, and then obviously, look, as you go... Oh, I can't even do it. Let's try this door then. Silly... For some reason, it's not letting me do nothing with it. Why? Wait, try that now. Nope, I can't even go into anything. Ah, here we go. Right, so, yeah, there it is. So with the door shut, as you can see, if you follow the points, yeah, on each, you end up with square and compass. Look. Well, you can see it in plain right anyway, yeah. So you've got the square and compass right in your face as you walk through the actual, you know, the actual court before you even go into anything. Do you see what I mean? So there we go. You ain't getting no justice in the Nebraska court. So don't even expect it. You know what I mean? Anyway, there we go, my profane friends. I just thought I'd give you a little heads up on the Nebraska Supreme Court, where you'll never see justice. Especially when you've got the square and compass ruling everything. Look at that, look. Pure Masonic. Have a great day, Sugar Puffs.